We'll take a look at this video shared this morning of strong storms rolling through Columbus.
Yeah, it's all part of that first line that Chris was talking about earlier, and this is how it affected the central part of the state. Video along I-71, this ODOT camera picking it up. A car in the nearest lanes gets lifted and then flipped by incredibly strong winds.
No word on the conditions of anyone in that car. Camera even hard to see there. It's shaking so bad from those winds.
Yeah, Chris, explain this one. I mean, obviously, there's been no call. Was there a tornado or not? But there could have been, I guess.
It certainly looks like there was some circulation there that could have been rotation associated with the tornado, but very nearby, guys, they had a report of an 82-mile-an-hour wind gust. So this is one of the busier weather days, to be honest with you, that I've seen in years across the area. And fortunately for us, if you count it, this is our fifth round of storms in 72 hours. Just an incredible amount of rain that's fallen. And it has come with wave after wave of storms into the area. And I will tell you, they got hit much harder across the central and southern half of the state and west of us out toward Illinois and Indiana. What I expect will be actually classified as a derecho occurred earlier today. That coming out of northeastern Illinois and Indiana, and it was very concerning around lunchtime. They had winds of 90 to 100 miles per hour. In fact, take a look at this. Damage all over northern Indiana and northern Illinois. A 99-mile-per-hour wind gust was confirmed out at Gary, Indiana airport, and that raced across Indiana. Fortunately for us, it weakened considerably as it made its way to northwest Ohio, and we ended up just getting the rainy side of things. Still a few lightning strikes, so heads up to that. Not entirely clear of lightning this evening. And over the last 72 hours, I mentioned it, we have had widespread totals of 3 to 5 inches for just about all areas in northwest Ohio and southern Michigan. It has been torrential amounts of rain. Now, we're clear of any severe weather threat this evening. That enhanced risk more across southern Ohio down into Kentucky and West Virginia, where radar just looks like it is all over the place. There are still active tornado warnings south of the Ohio River, flash flooding that's occurring across much of central and southern Ohio. Again, back toward our area, we're looking at diminishing chances of rain showers. Latest data shows those showers move out of the area between now and early morning. There is the risk that we get fog that develops overnight, and all the activity through the day tomorrow, stormy weather, I expect is going to be on a boundary to our south and to our west. So we're very likely to miss out on most of the rain and storm activity Wednesday. Outside of a few isolated showers or a storm, Wednesday will largely turn toward drier conditions for us. Now tonight, though, we're going to be looking at isolated shower threats. Patchy dense fog will be developing after midnight. 66 the low. That fog could thicken up into morning on Wednesday. So watch how this happens. We drop that visibility down below a mile first thing Wednesday morning, so it could be a slow morning drive. As we get out the door early Wednesday, fog lifts by mid-morning, and we are clear into the afternoon. Still going to be very humid tomorrow. Some areas of patchy fog in the morning, mixed clouds and sunshine, an isolated chance of an afternoon shower or storm. We keep the chance, though, for Wednesday and Thursday, right around a 30% chance. So it will be much quieter across the region Wednesday into Thursday. Turning less humid Friday into Saturday, upper 70s to near 80 degrees. A few additional storm chances Sunday to round out the weekend, mid-80s on Sunday, and then most of next week could be back to school for more districts. Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, highs right around 80 degrees.